There are a lot of polymer clay tools out there and it can be quite confusing, whether or not you're just beginning with polymer clay or you've been playing with polymer clay for a while. I'm Elaine. I'm a jewelry designer and a polymer clay artist here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. And today I'm going to go over my 5 top tools and also show you how to use those tools in creating what I did, a mini pizza.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Polyclay Roller. Polyclay rollers or a pasta machine, they're a must in your polymer clay arsenal. Whether or not you're blending colors, conditioning your clay, or trying to find the exact thickness for your project, like I did here starting out making my pizza crust. Clay cutters. Clay cutters, they come in all different shapes and sizes like we see here, hearts and squares and circles, but it doesn't stop there. Get creative, combine them, get imaginative, have fun with it. But today I'm going to be using this circle to start cutting out my pizza crust. Liquid polymer clay. Liquid polymer clay is one of my favorite tools. Whether or not you're using it to glue one piece of clay to another piece of clay before baking, it also acts as a liquid medium. You can pour it into molds, you can add it to your polymer clay to add embellishments, or you can make something just like I did. I took some regular polymer clay and I mixed it with liquid polymer clay and I got a liquid consistency. These here are my sauces and cheeses for my pizza. The more liquid polymer clay you add, the thinner the mixture will be. You can customize it. You could customize colors. It's one of my favorite tools. Clay extruders. Clay extruders are amazing to make symmetrical ropes and different types of shapes. They come with many different discs, but today I use the disc with the multiple holes so I can make ropes to make my pepperoni. And I'll show you a little bit of my pepperoni here. Here at Fire Mountain, we carry a couple types of different extruders. I find the one that works best for me is the one with the turn handle. It gives me more leverage when I'm trying to turn it. Blades. Blades are very useful when cutting and trimming your projects. Like I like trimming the edges off of my polymer clay with a long blade. It's very easy and it does a clean cut. But be careful, they are a blade and you want to clean and store them properly. Starting with these 5 essential polymer clay tools, you'll be well on your way to become a successful polymer clay artist. Links for the products in this video are shown in the description box below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to sign up for our newsletter so you don't miss any sales and upcoming events. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you soon.